Think you know space? Think again. From Hollywood blockbusters to those enduring childhood tales, our understanding of the cosmos is often peppered with fascinating yet fundamentally flawed ideas. These myths are so pervasive, so deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness that they honestly feel like facts. But the universe, in its true, unvarnished glory, is far stranger and more wonderful than any fiction we could invent. It's a place where intuition often fails, and the only reliable guide is the relentless pursuit of evidence, the scientific method itself. Ready to have your cosmic perspective realigned? Today we're taking a journey beyond the familiar narratives. We're debunking the 7 most common and persistent myths about the universe. So buckle up your curiosity and prepare for a dose of cosmic truth. As we go through this list, I want you to keep a mental tally. Picture this: a spaceship, alarms blaring, heroically swerving and dodging a dense, chaotic field of tumbling rocks. This is the asteroid belt as imagined by Hollywood. A cosmic demolition derby you'd be lucky to survive. It makes for great cinema, but the reality is, well, it's fantastically boring by comparison. The asteroid belt, that vast region between Mars and Jupiter, is mostly empty space. It's a cosmic desert, not a crowded highway. The average distance between any 2 asteroids of significant size is over 1 million kilometers. That's nearly 3 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. We've sent numerous spacecraft right through the heart of the asteroid belt, without even needing to plot a complex evasive course, the dark side of the Moon. The phrase itself conjures images of perpetual shadow, a mysterious hidden realm untouched by the sun's rays. It's a powerful and romantic notion, famously immortalized in music, but here's the cosmic truth. There is no permanent dark side of the Moon. What we call the dark side is more accurately the far side, the hemisphere that always faces away from Earth. This is due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. Our planet's gravity has locked the Moon's rotation to its orbit. Just like Earth, the Moon has a day and a night. The rest of the dark side gets just as much sun as the bright side. In space, no one can hear you scream. It's one of the most iconic taglines in movie history, and honestly, it's based on a solid piece of physics. Sound, as we typically experience it, is a mechanical wave. Space is a near-perfect vacuum. There are so few particles that there's nothing for sound waves to vibrate through. So, yes, if you were to shout in the vacuum of space, the sound wouldn't travel. However, to say space is completely silent is a cosmic oversimplification. The universe is alive with other kinds of waves, specifically electromagnetic waves. Radio waves, for example, travel perfectly through a vacuum. Our spacecraft are equipped with instruments called plasma wave detectors that can pick up these emissions from planets. It's a gruesome scene we've witnessed in countless sci-fi films. A helmet cracks, but it has no basis in reality. You would not explode. Our skin is remarkably strong and elastic, more than capable of containing our internal body pressure against the vacuum of space. The primary and most immediate danger is lack of oxygen. You would lose consciousness in about 15 seconds due to hypoxia. Ask any child to draw the sun, they'll reach for a yellow crayon. We look up at the sky during a sunrise and see a brilliant golden orb. So, the sun is yellow, right? Wrong. The sun, if you were to view it from outside the filtering lens of Earth's atmosphere, is actually white. It appears yellow to us for the same reason the sky appears blue. When that light travels through our atmosphere, the shorter wavelength colors, like blue, the sun isn't yellow. Our atmosphere is simply a masterful color filter. The term black hole is a victim of its own success. It's so evocative that it creates a misleading mental image, a cosmic vacuum cleaner. While their gravitational pull is the strongest known force in the universe, black holes are not voracious vacuum cleaners. They obey the exact same laws of gravity as everything else. They're just extremely dense. If you magically replaced our sun with a black hole of the same mass, what would happen to Earth's orbit? Absolutely nothing. We see astronauts floating effortlessly inside the International Space Station, and we call it zero gravity. It's a simple, catchy term, but it's completely wrong. There is no such thing as zero gravity near Earth. At ISS altitude, about 400 kilometers up, gravity is still about 90% as strong as on the surface. So why are astronauts floating? Because they're in a constant state of free fall. The ISS isn't stationary. It zips around Earth at over 27,000 kilometers per hour. It's falling toward Earth while moving sideways so fast it keeps missing it. That perpetual falling produces weightlessness, microgravity. They're not free from gravity, they're continually yielding to it. So there you have it. 7 cosmic truths to replace 7 common myths. The truth is often less dramatic than the fiction, but it is always more elegant and awe-inspiring. Acknowledging these truths doesn't diminish the wonder of space, it enhances it. Surprised by any of these? Hit like if you learned something new and subscribe for more space truths.